Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. As the government has announced the winter vacations right from 21st of December 2020, you must enroll yourselves in the different coaching centers where these coaching centers are run in the private capacity or they are run by the government officials. Better is to facilitate yourself physically so that you can get facilitated to the larger extent, because during last academic year you met with the huge losses and you have to compensate this loss, because academic loss once it goes, it hardly comes back. Dear students, one more important thing is that you have to put extra efforts, you have to do extra hard work to crack every barrier in front of you. And this digital platform are the virtual classes that were arranged by the government in 2019 when pandemic hit us is not the actual mode of teaching. It can't be substituted for the actual mode of teaching or actual teaching in the classroom. Dear students of class 11th, subject political science. Today we are dealing with very important topic in our political science, that is right to equality. Dear students, rights are given from Article 12 to 35 in the Indian Constitution, in Part 3rd of the Indian Constitution, and rights are given to us for safe living, for secure living, for protected life. So from Article 12 to 35, actually they are mentioned from Article 14 to 35 in Part 3rd of the Indian Constitution. And right to equality is the first right that we enjoy under the Indian Constitution. But what is the right to equality? Right to equality, just name indicates, it means the equality in most spheres of the life. Article 14 says that we should have equality before law, we should be equal in the eyes of law, and law should equally treat us. This is the essence of the right to equality before law given in the Article 14. And then there is the Article 15 that gives you the right to access the public service, public areas. You are access to public areas and there is no discrimination on the basis of color, caste and creed when you are accessing these public areas. And this is what mentioned in the Article 15 of the Indian Constitution. And Article 16 says that there should be a equal opportunity of government employment for all. And there should be also no discrimination on the basis of color, caste or religion. So you have to simply keep in mind that this Article 16 says that there should be the equal opportunities of employment for all without any discrimination on the basis of color, caste or creed. Then there is the Article 17. It's a very important. In the olden days, there were the caste system that was very prevalent in the Indian society. Some lower caste people were there, they are there, but still they were badly treated. So there was a word that is called untouchable. Untouchable, don't touch them. They were considered as the inferior castes or races, and it was abolished in the Article 17th of the Indian Constitution. And during the British rule, there were some titles given to some persons, just like Rai Bahadur, and this title was then they abolished in the Article 18th of the Indian Constitution, which is well mentioned in the right to equality. So I am repeating the things for you so that you can remember the things for very much longer time. Dear students, the rights are given in the Indian Constitution in Part 3rd from Article 12 to 35. Actually they are mentioned in from 14 to 35 because in 12 and 30, in 12 the state is defined, in 13 the rights, how rights can be curtailed, this is mentioned, but well, the right to equality is mentioned from Article 14 to Article 18. Article 14 says that there should be equality before law. Law should treat all equally, and all should be equal in the eyes of the law, and there should be no caste discrimination, no religious discrimination in the eyes of the law. Dear students, then there is Article 15 that shows you are all equal in access the public spaces or public places. And then there is the Article 16 which says that you are equal in getting the government jobs and getting the public jobs. You are free then there is one more important thing that when the caste system was prevalent in the Indian society, still it is going somewhere, and some people who were the lower caste people were treated badly in the Indian society, and they were called untouchables. Sometimes this was used perhaps not perhaps, was used for the Harijans, low caste people, and they were not touched by the upper class people of the society. So this was abolished in the Article 17 of the Indian Constitution. And there is one more article, that is the Article 18, that titles were given. Titles were given during the British period. So I have already quoted an example. Rai Bahadur was given titles during the Indian period, when there was during the British Indian period, and this stands now abolished. So Article 18 says the titles are abolished. So dear students, this is what the right to equality says. Right to equality says. But when we talk about equality in general concept, that equality means we should have equality in all the walks of the life. Whether we are getting the government jobs, where we are using the public spaces, public places, or where it is the caste, color, this type of the game going on, we should have the equality in all spheres of life, in all walks of the life. This is the general concept of the equality. Dear students, you have to see these things on the available political science reference books so that you may grasp the concept well. Dear students, one more important thing is that when you remain busy with the books, when you remain busy with the school, you will definitely get something. You will definitely get something, because remaining inclined, attached to the books, because books are friends. You have to remain with the books. Dear students, hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion or query that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And even you are free to mail me kgm38864@gmail.com, and when you forward your query by any means, by WhatsApping, by calling, by emailing, within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. Dear students, I have already addressed you many a time that this digital platform can't be the substitute for the actual mode of the teaching. A huge chunk of students, not only huge chunk of students, but all students, we can say, need physically teacher in front of them to learn things well. So dear students, if you are still not enrolled in the coaching centers, you must move there. Whether these coaching centers are run in the private capacity or they are run by the government, you must enroll yourselves there to get physically facilitated, because this digital platform isn't a substitute for the actual mode of teaching. If this digital platform had been the actual mode of teaching, then the Americans, the Italians would have closed their institutions and have asked their teachers to deliver things from the home, and have also asked the students to receive the things from their home. Dear students, this is the general concept of right to equality. It is well mentioned from Article 14 to 18. However, rights start from 12 to 35. In 12 and 13, the state is defined and the rights curtailment is defined. Dear students, my prayers are with you. Thanks. Be blessed.